What's up, guys? So you're wanting to use your GoPro 10, maybe even your 9, and potentially the 8? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's definitely possible. What's up, guys? I am Ragnamus, and this is my YouTube channel. And also, make sure not to be a stranger. So all the things that we're going to talk about are going to be posted down below for your reference uses. And it's incredible, the technology and how far it's come. So we're going to talk about it, and we're going to show you how and what to do to get your IRL stream pumping. Let's get started. All right, so you're looking to stream IRL. Maybe you're going to purchase a GoPro. Maybe you're in the market. Maybe you're looking at a GoPro 10, a 9, maybe an 8. Or you already have one. Well, I'm here to tell you it is definitely possible to stream with a GoPro. And it's easier than ever. So now we're here to the question, how do we make this possible? Now, beforehand, IRL stream, you had your cell phone, you could do it off your service, you do it at 480, and it looked good, and it was quality. And then there's also other options as well of having a camera with a live view solo setup, which is multiple different internet connections into a little encrypting software, and it sends it off, it bounces it back. It requires a lot of space, backpacking, and wiring, which is super annoying, especially if you want something more wireless, more movable. And that's where I'm here to tell you where the GoPro 10 or the GoPros are awesome. We did this yesterday.
Oh. Set the hook if you got fish on there. Set the hook. There you go. Told you. You don't have to horse it like that. Bring her up!
There she is! Got a plane up there. Ice fishing, and let me tell you, it was amazing. And it was made possible by 5G, guys. The 5G is where it's at. 4G was great and all, but the upload speeds were just not steady enough or just good enough to keep up with it. And you got upload speeds on 5G that are way above what you even need, and it's incredible. Me and my friend yesterday were both streaming off of his one 5G network. He had a GoPro 8 and I had my GoPro 10, and we were both IRL streaming at the exact same time. It's 2,500 KBs off of the same thing. He also then bumped it up to 1080 and was still able to roll a 1080 stream plus my stream on top of it. Technology these days, guys, it's come so far. So that's good news, right? Because now you can have a cell phone that's 5G or even a hotspot as small as maybe a regular cell phone or in your pocket. It takes up less space, and it's just easier to go on the fly. And then you got a GoPro. They're small, they're compact, and they are just built to be user-friendly. And you can throw them on a shoulder mount, on a bipod, on a head mount. I mean, the options are just unthinkable. So, how does it work? How do you set it up? Well, you go into the GoPro app, okay? And it's going to look a little something like this. You're going to have a list of all the networks there and what you could stream, and you click it, and you can sign into your account and then stream. What I found out when it happened to me yesterday, and it's still a little buggy, well, I'll give it that, and that was on the entire GoPro. That was on the 8 and the 10 for me. We weren't able to go live on Twitch. We tried to click it, and it was being buggy, and I've read that it's a known issue and that they're going to eventually work on it. But the easy way out is to go down to the bottom, and you're going to see that RTMP. And right there is easy. All those networks, they already have it. It's kind of like their address. You do the RTMP, which is the server, and then you go ahead and go to your, whatever it is, your Twitch, and get your stream key. And then it's going to be your RTMP, and then there's going to be a little section there, and you got to delete it off, and then you put the stream link there, and boom, send it live, and it will work perfectly fine. So what I'm here to tell you is that the stream quality and the ease of having a GoPro and the 5G, it's the new meta. It's the new way to IRL stream. So let's talk about the GoPro 10 and why I got it. I got the GoPro 10 because I wanted something for my IRL streams, and I also wanted something for my actual streams on Twitch. And the GoPro fit that. With the capture card and all of that other stuff, it definitely works fantastic for a streaming camera, and I have a video on that right here. Also, I wanted it for Spartan races.
I cannot imagine a better race than this.
I'm addicted.
Woo!
I want to find out what's in here. I want to find out what I'm capable of.
You have to get out there, and although you've never done it and it's outside of your comfort zone, you got to tell yourself, I can do this.
You're a part of something bigger than just you running a race.
And across the finish line, I feel alive.
This is the best time of my life right here, Spartan race.
Haru! Now, as you can see, the Spartan races are mean. You need something that is waterproof, that's dirt proof, that's smash proof, that's all of the above, and that's why I chose the GoPro. Now, what I found out while I was streaming is that at 720, I can go about an hour and a half on one battery without swapping it. Now, there's a way to hot swap. You put the C charge in it, you open the compartment, put the C charge in it, swap a new battery out, boom. It's a hot swap. Now, if you look right here at my times, at the sprint level, I would definitely be able to go on one battery. But as the super and the beast, I will then have to multiple swaps, which could be a pain in the butt. So there's going to be multiple different ways that I could IRL stream, and we're going to go over that. So you want to go IRL with your GoPro. Let's talk about the options. Yeah, option 1, which is going to be the GoPro itself with the battery in it, which, like I said before, is going to be about an hour and a half. And if you get the new battery, it probably would push it past 2 hours on a single charge. So you're going to have to then hot swap it during a stream to keep you going if you want to go past that time. Now, having the 5G wireless, boom, easy. Option 2. This is an option whether or not you're not planning on doing anything like me, you know, a Spartan race where you have the water and you have the dirt and all of the other stuff that may get into your GoPro. At that point, you're going to then want to go with the media mod, and you're going to then want to hook up a charging pack to the media mod. What this allows you to do as well is add some extra microphones. The media mod has one built in, but you can actually add more. You can add all these other extra modifications onto it, which makes it pretty cool. So that's a little bit more friendly user, and it'll allow you to go for a longer period of time. Now, if you're trying to go for a Spartan race or something like this at a big event where you're getting it wet and getting dirty, I looked up and I found this little encasing, and it's called the Suptig. Here's a picture of it. There'll also be links below for it. So it's a waterproof housing case capable for the GoPro Hero 10 and 9, and they have one for the 8 as well. And this allows it to connect and have waterproof, and there's also another adapter right here that connects into their own waterproof casing battery. So this right here would allow me to do exactly what I want to do with the GoPro 10 at Spartan races while keeping it watertight. And that is important. And there we have it. The GoPro 10 or 8 or 9, whatever you use, it is definitely going to be possible to IRL stream ease with new 5G, guys. And I'm telling you right now, it's awesome. I appreciate you guys watching my video, and I hope it's helped you out a lot. If you have any other questions about this, go ahead and drop a comment below, and I will definitely get back to you. And remember, guys, have a good day.